Quickly in this video, we're going to be looking at the XCN price update. A lot has changed since our last XCN price update video. And if you're paying attention to this total 2 market cap, cryptocurrency market cap excluding BTC, you will notice history is about to repeat itself. Now, the 2025 altcoin season is loading and it's going to take a lot of people by surprise. Now, if you're paying attention, we are currently, now this chart is currently in 2025. And if you're going back in time, into the last bull market we had, you understand, which was 2020 2021, you would notice the same thing happened. We got the exact chart pattern we now have in this 25. You understand, after we had the 5 wave, we got a massive run up to the upside into 2021. Same thing is happening in 2025. We are about to get that massive, crazy run up to the upside. Before I proceed, please smash the like button if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't. Now, we're going to be talking about the BTC dominance, the total 3 market cap. We're going to be talking about XCN price chart. And also, if you're paying attention, XCN is one of the top mover for today. We're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency fear and greed index. By the way, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently on the greed zone, which is indicating 72%. You understand? Yesterday was neutral, 47%. Last week was 29%, which is fear. Last month was 45%, which is fear. So I think the market is recovering already, and a lot of investors are becoming more optimistic and a bit excited, yeah, because we had a relief rally. XCN is currently sitting at 0.02112199. We are up 22% in the last 24 hours as at the time of making this video. Our market cap is gradually climbing up to the upside. The recovery has been like exciting, like seriously. We've had an exciting recovery for the price of XCN coin and also for most solid altcoins. I'm talking about altcoins with good fundamentals, good utility and all that. In the long run, XCN can easily get to $1, $2, even $3. You understand? It's very, very possible. You understand? In as much as nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space, but $1, $2 is very doable for XCN coin. Now let's talk about this XCN chart real quick. We've discussed this chart in the previous video and also the video before the last one, and I specifically pointed out this zone for you guys to buy in, that this zone is likely to be the reversal zone. We got a clean bounce the moment we got to that zone around 0.0084. You get, so congratulations to those who seized the opportunity, who got in. And yeah, so we got the correction as I talked about in the previous video as well. We got the correction that was needed, and now we are getting a bounce. Sooner or later, we are going to like get to this 7-cent zone. By the time we successfully flip the 7-cent zone, it's going to be a moonshot pass. We are going to get a moonshot above the previous all-time high, which is around 19 cents. And the moment we are flipping that previous all-time high into a support, then it's going to be a moonshot to $1, $2 for XCN coin. So while researching projects with 10 to 100x potential in this coming altcoin season, I came across this project. The project name is called Nomi Finance. As you can see, this is their Twitter page. You can follow them on Twitter, and then to bring yourself up to speed, to like learn more about the project and all that, you can as well go through their like white paper through their Twitter bio. You understand, as you can see over here. And now this is the white paper page where you get to learn about what the project is all about. So Nomi Finance is a leading cryptocurrency investment ecosystem, providing seamless access to staking, borrowing, wealth management, early stage investment with strong focus on security, transparency, and high yield opportunity. Now, Nomi Finance empowers both individual and institutional investors to maximize the potential of their crypto asset. Now, if you're checking the right left hand side of the white paper, you get to see the area of roadmap. You can just select it. It's going to take you directly to the roadmap page. Now, this is the roadmap page. You can just scroll and read more for yourself. This project has been around for quite some time now. They've been building the fundamentals like behind this project is crazy, it's mind-blowing, like seriously. That's why when I came across this project immediately, I just knew this project is I think it's surely going to be a runner. You can just bring yourself up to speed by going through the team and contact page detail on the white paper. This is their supporting inquiries, live chat, email, partnership, inquiries, like the list goes on and on and on. You can just check them out. This is the tokenomics page. You can just go through the key metrics for yourself. As you can see, the token name is Nomi token with a ticker symbol of Nomi. And then the blockchain network is ERC20 SPL. Total supply is 3 billion Nomi token, which is a very, very reasonable total supply if you ask me. Now, the hard cap is $120 million. The initial market cap is definitely going to be $120 million as well, with controlled token release. Now, the fully diluted market valuation at listing is likely to be around $900 million. So you can just go through the tokenomics to bring yourself up to speed. The link to their website, I will leave it in the description of this video, also in the comment section of this video. The link to sign up would be in the description of this video as well. So just click on the sign up page. Proceed by creating your account, provide all the necessary details. When your account is created successfully, then you can proceed to the token sale page, because their token is currently on sale. And if you want to make that massive profit, you have to jump on the sale right now. By the time you've successfully signed up, you are going to be given a wallet which you can like deposit whatever asset you want to deposit. You should know how to do that already. As you can see, I currently have $10,238 currently in my wallet. You understand? I'm going to be using this $10,000 to like purchase some Nomi tokens and position myself very, very well for the massive run that is coming. The old season is coming very, very soon, and you guys wouldn't want to miss out. As you can see, this is the old season. This is the Tota 2 chart excluding BTC, and 2025 old season loading. The old season is coming very, very soon, because if you are to go back in time, the last bull run, which is 2021, that was the same pattern we had. We got the same pattern before the massive run began to the upside. Now the alt season is coming for 2025 once again, and I wouldn't want to like miss out on the massive run on Nomi token, like seriously. So let me just go to the token sale page, and then this is the token sale page, and as you can see, I'm already like signing to my account. As you can see, you might decide to like go with maybe $5,000, but I would prefer to like go all in. Let's just go with $10,000 purchase. With the $10,000 purchase, we are going to be receiving let's check it out, 166,000 Nomi token. Remember, the maximum supply for the Nomi token is just 3 billion. That is to say, by the time this project get to $1, it's going to be a $3 billion market cap. And the current price, as you can see over here, one Nomi is equals to 0.06 US dollars. That is just 6 cents. It's still extremely cheap. And as if you're paying attention to this data on the right hand side, it is saying after listing, my token will be worth 49, technically $50,000, which is massive if you ask me. Now, to proceed with your purchase, you have to click on the buy button, and you're going to be taken to the pre-market phase. Now, I'm now taken to the pre-market phase, and as you can see, this pre-market phase, the current price is 6 cents, you understand? And I currently have 0 Nomi, 0 blah blah blah. So I'll have to like scroll down to like, remember I showed you guys my balance earlier, over $10,000. I'll have to scroll down, then select the token I wish to join this pre-sale with. I'll be selecting USDT. So by the time I select USDT, the next thing to do, as you can see, my balance is currently reading 10,241 USDT. So I'll be clicking on max to go all in. You get, now the price has changed, because initially I typed in just $10,000, like, you understand, but now I'm clicking on max to add a $241 on top, and I'll be getting 170,000 Nomi token, which will be worth $51,000 after listing. So the next thing to do would be for me to click on the buy button to proceed with my purchase. Purchase successful. You get, so buy more Nomi. No, my purchase is already successful. I'm already positioned for the massive run that is coming to this project. I so much believe in this project because if you're considering the fundamentals, the project fundamentals, you should already know this is going to be a massive mover, you understand, in the crypto space, in the coming altcoin season, in the coming bull run. So you guys have to position ASAP without wasting time. Whatever I say is truly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Please do your own research very well as well. If you should click on this my token right here, you get to see the token you just bought. Now this is the token I just bought, which is 170,000, and now confidently holds 170,649 Nomi token, which I'm confident about, and I'm fully invested in this project now, and I fully support this project. Let's see how it goes. This project is definitely going to be a runner. If you guys are paying attention to this total tree market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum, we have successfully, we talked about this falling wedge, we have successfully broken out of this falling wedge to the upside, and now I think we are trying to flip the falling wedge into a support. Now by the time we successfully flip it into a support, it's going to be a moonshot all the way to trillions. We are currently at $811 billion for the total tree altcoin market cap. So the price target for this falling wedge breakout is going to be around $1.2 trillion. And if we are heading back to this line chart for the total 2 altcoin market cap excluding BTC, the moonshot is going to take us way, I think, into 3 trillion dollars to $4 trillion by the time this massive run-up begins. Because if you are paying attention to 2021, we had a massive spike after flipping this zone into a support, a massive run-up to the upside, very, very massive. So if the same thing should happen, considering the adoption in the crypto space, the massive adoption, the mass adoption, and also considering the flow of liquidity, by the time the quantitative easing begins fully, you understand, the entire cryptocurrency market and stock market is going to explode. Position yourself before the run-up begins. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance is still like heading to the upside. We are waiting for a we are still waiting for a reversal. Historically, May are usually the time or months the BTC dominance usually bottoms. Now, in as much as this market cycle has proven to be different from the previous market cycle we've had in the last 10, 12 years of the cryptocurrency existence, let's see what May holds, you understand? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Because the BTC dominance is not slowing down still. If it continues with this momentum, then we should expect a correction around 71%. But that is not canceling the fact that we need to see a correction right now from this zone. My worst case scenario for the BTC dominance is the 71.44% zone. Let's see how it goes. As always, my name is Isaac. Please invest wisely, invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Peace out.